quadratic equations using factorization. In this video, we'll learn how to solve a quadratic equation using the factorization method, one of the simplest techniques. Finally, we set each factor equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. This gives us the roots x equals minus 2 or x equals minus 3. Steps to solve the quadratic equation. Check if the equation is in standard form. Find two numbers that multiply to the constant term, 6, and add to the middle coefficient, 5. Break the middle term using these two numbers. Group the terms and factor each group. To find two numbers that multiply to 6 and add up to 5, we identify 2 and 3. Therefore, we can rewrite the equation as x superscript 2 plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we group the terms, x superscript 2 plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals 0. Next, we factor each group to get x plus 2 plus 3, x plus 2 equals 0. After factoring out the common binomial, we have x plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0. Remember to check if the equation is factorable before using other methods like the quadratic formula. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this helped you.